This is completely glueless. I have not added any glue to this. Wow. Hey y'all, hey, it's your girl Krystle and I'm back with another video for y'all. So today's video is sponsored by Vshow. They were so sweet and nice enough to send this out to me so I could share it with you guys. And today's video is going to be this beautiful loose wave goodness, and I can't wait to show you guys the black girl magic going on up in here. But before we even get started, if you are new here, welcome, and if you are a returning subscriber, hey girl, hey, and welcome back. Let's go ahead and get into this video. If you are not subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I'd love to have you a part of my crew. Let's get into the details on this unit. Set some cute little lashes, a wig cap, and a little pamphlet. Oh my God, this, oh my, this is so soft. Wow, and this unit is plucked to perfection. Oh my God, wow, okay. Vshow. Woo. Y'all, I already know this is about to be cute. This looks beautiful. Oh my God. And the curls. 24-inch loose deep hair texture. It's also, the lace is already pre-cut also. As you can see right here, it's like this crinkle cut on the lace. Y'all, I'm about to tint this lace with my foundation and throw this thing on. Here is, the cap is stretchy. No adjustable straps back here, but you do have an elastic band. And let's see. Okay, and no combs on this wig. So let's see, and it's like a closure. Ooh, this is a good throw on and go. Let's see how this looks. So I'm just using my foundation and going in and tinting this. Oh my God. Okay. Y'all, this is glueless. I know there's a little line right here, but we gonna fix that up. This is no spray. Okay, let's brush her out. Oh my goodness. Okay, this side is brushed out. This side, I didn't do anything to it yet, but I wanted to show you guys. Y'all, the cap feels comfortable on my head, and I'm a big head girl. I'm about a 23.5-inch head circumference, and we are fitting on in here very well. I am wearing the elastic band. No combs. Okay, y'all, so I got my spray bottle. All right, I'm going in with my argan oil, cream of nature, mousse. I'm lost for words. Wow. Oh. Okay, let me do the other side. Okay, let's see what it looks like. I turn it to the side. So what you could do is like put a little bit of foam right here, and it would still be considered glueless, and you could, oh my God, this is so pretty. And leave that on there for a second. Vshow is showing out. I don't have nothing else to say, but they showed out. Do you hear me? True to length, y'all. Okay, let me let this set and I'm gonna be right. Let me just put this out there. I have no cons about this wig. This wig rated out of 1 out of a 10, with 10 being the best, is a 20. Just best unit that I have reviewed on my channel. Y'all. Okay. Let me tell you guys what I love about this unit, okay? But while I'm telling you this, get on the website and run and go and get you one, okay? Because I already know it's about to be sold out. A few specs about this unit before I tell you what I love. This is a 24-inch loose deep unit from Vshow, okay? They said it's 24 inches, but baby, it's hitting past my waist, and I'm 5'6", so I feel like they gave us a few extra inches. This is natural color, maybe like a 1B or a 2, and that's it. Now, this is unlike any other wig that I've tried on here. This wig has no combs, no adjustable straps. It was created and constructed on a stretchy wig cap, basically, and it has an elastic band, so small head girls, you can fit this too. Y'all, when I tell you this wig is perfect for anyone with a head, big head girls, small head girls, light skin girls, dark skin girls, y'all, you don't have to even pluck the wig. The hairline is plucked to perfection. No glue is required, no spray is required. You don't even need the mousse if you don't want to. Plop her on and keep it moving. Texture of the hair is so soft, so beautiful. It's giving everything beach vibes. Oh my God. Y'all, she a 20. If I have any discount codes, I will link it in the description box below. I hope you enjoyed today's video, and if you did, give me a thumbs up. Let me know what you guys are thinking down in the comments, because is this black girl magic or not? Okay, like, comment down below, let me know what you're thinking. If you're picking her up, if you're loving her, is it a no for you? Because baby, it is a yes for me. Let me know what you're thinking down in the comments. Y'all know I love to talk to you back. Huge shout out to Vshow. Huge shout out to Vshow, because baby, you came in here and showed out with this unit. Huge shout out to you guys for sending this unit out to me and sponsoring today's video. And until next time, I will see you guys in the next video. Bye, y'all.